Wow, look at this. Today I'm going to show you a step that I've learned from my mother on how to cook livers. So today I'm going to use a chicken liver. So I'm going to take you step by step. Come with me through this journey of a secret recipe that my mother taught me on how to cook chicken liver. So I'm going to show you all the steps on my home recipe from my mother that I learned. So guys, please do hit and like subscribe button. This will help my channel to grow, and this will help me too in so many ways you can imagine. I would really appreciate if you guys can hit the subscribe and like button and follow me through my journey. So guys, I'm just gonna slice my liver into small slices so that this can help my livers to cook fast. So I like slicing it in the straight way and making sure I have all the best pieces. So I learned the secret of when you cook a liver or meat in a restaurant, it's advised not to wash it because you're washing off all the flavors away. So now I'm not washing out my liver. I'm cooking it just straight like that to keep all the flavor in the liver. It's always best to cook your liver when it's fresh, but mine was frozen, so I just defroze it a day before. So now I'm just gonna chop all my pieces of my liver into small slices. So I'm just gonna add another one again and continue chopping them small while everything else is finished. So I'll just cut them up all. So I learned this technique from my mother, and I also learned the technique of not washing meat from a restaurant. So once my chopping is done, I'm going to put it into a clear bowl, transfer it from my cutting board. So this bowl is the one I'm going to use for seasoning. So I'll just put everything into this nice wild bowl to allow me to spice up everything else that I need to spice. And then I am going to put in just salt. I'm not gonna do a lot of seasoning on this one. I just love to have my liver taste. And then I'm going to put in my chili sauce that I also did a video below. And then I'm just gonna use garlic. I'll use the chopping cutting board, this one, but to use this you need to be careful if you are not well experienced because it can chop your hands if you are not focused. So I would love to have the taste of the garlic into my liver, so I'll just slice that very thin. I don't want to smash it up because I want to taste the garlic into the liver, and you'll want to have the garlic taste in the liver. It just makes your liver taste so much delicious and wonderful and yummy. This is something you can do very fast. The liver doesn't cook long. And then I'll just put the garlic into the meat, and then I'm gonna chop again my white onion. So I've already cleaned up my white onion. Yes, I didn't want to bore you guys, so I like using this to chop my onion, even though it's difficult, especially at the beginning trying to cut off the slice. But instead of cutting it as a whole like the way I did, I made a mistake. You're supposed to cut it like in two slices, and then you cut it off like this easily, and then you start with another part. So I'll just first start with this first part to slice my onion into small pieces. So once my onion is sliced up, and then I'm going to season everything up into a bowl. So I'll just mix that with my clean bare hands, mix that everything very well, and then I am just gonna add a bit of oil onto my seasoning for everything to go in well. So when I cook my chicken liver that I learned from my mother, I don't like to season a lot. So if we're going to add oil, so I'm going to add the oil into the pan. So I'll transfer everything onto my hot pan, and then I'm going to add my oil so that it can go into my liver. Remember, oil gives a flavor to a liver, and wait guys, you will not want to see the end of this liver. It tastes so delicious and this is an easy recipe you can do at home by yourself, easy and fast, and you can do this for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, or lazy dinners at home. So look how just yummy this already looks. And then I'm going to add my tomato paste into my liver to give it a different flavor and have just that colorful kick onto it. And then I'm just gonna mix that well and let it cook for a while, just mixing it up very well. So if you've come this far with my video, take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like, and don't forget to forward this beautiful recipe to your friends and loved one. I'll really appreciate it. And then I'm just gonna mix that very well up, and I already chopped up my tomato, so I'm just gonna throw my one whole tomato inside to give it that juiciness and that tenderness into my liver. This dish is so yummy. I do it on lazy days, I do it on breakfast. My family just loved this recipe and they enjoyed this liver, so I decided to share with you all. This is just a yummy liver recipe that you all are going to enjoy. So just look how juicy and yummy that looks. It looks so tender and it tastes so delicious. You won't go wrong with this liver recipe. So now that I've mixed everything is done. I'm just gonna transfer this into a plate, and I'm just gonna dig in and enjoy this liver with my slice of bread. You can have it with rice, you can have it with a slice of bread, you can have it with anything of your choice, but on lazy days I like having it with a slice of bread. So I'm just gonna transfer this into a plate, and I'm gonna dig in and enjoy this liver with my slice of bread. So let me just transfer this into a bowl and then just start to dig in at all. This just looks yummy and so delicious. So now I am just gonna dig in with my slice of bread. Look how delicious and yummy that looks. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to share love and care wherever you find yourself. See you in the next video. Ciao ciao. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.